Hi, everyone. I'm Simon. Thanks for letting us do this presentation to you. We're very happy to join the Universal Unilink community and become a preferred vendor with you. We hope we'll do a lot of business together and that you will and we will be able to sell a lot of vinyl and leatherette items that we manufacture. So we'll start by presenting ourselves, the company. I'm with my colleague, Eric.
Hi, nice to meet you.
We'll present the company, then we'll go over the different industries we have, and we'll show pictures of our most popular products by industry. And yeah, we'll go from there. So to present ourselves, we're Vinyform is a manufacturing company that operates since 1962. We offer a wide range of vinyl, leatherette, and synthetic leather products recognized for their durability. And we sell to various different industries. All our products are customized. So we do the imprint in-house. We manufacture in-house. We do everything in-house. And everything is produced in our 25,000 square feet plant in Canada. We have a team of over 60 people that is very experienced, and they acquired all that experience over the years. So we'll go on to our different industries.
So as Simon was saying, many of our products are so versatile that they cover so many different industries. But these are, let's say, our top 10 industries that we've been dealing with since 1962, everywhere from automobile, education, all the way down to retail and travel. Many of our products that we've manufactured were because of needs in the industry that were brought up by sales directors such as yourselves, and were able to tell us that there was this need, and we created this product for this industry. And they become so versatile that they've gone across different industries, which you'll see in a couple of the following slides.
So the first industry here is the automobile industry. We do sell different products that are all customized. We have some license holder, as you can see, the product that is orange, blue, and red. That's the most popular product in all industry. I would say we sell millions of those every month. The envelopes that you can see at the bottom, we have some wheel lock holder, some products to put the insurance in those. We also have stuff that you can see on the left, the blue thing that has capacity in it, so you can put the owner's manual in this product. We sell a lot of clear vinyls also that is used for transit. So they put the plate in it during the time that they're waiting for the actual plate. They put the paper in it. And you know, for a company, a car dealership, buying your car from Volkswagen or another Volkswagen, you won't really remember it if you don't have promotional items that show that you bought the car at this specific Volkswagen. So that's why companies are willing to buy some of those products that are very cost efficient, and they're a good marketing tool to remember the client that they bought their car at this dealership particularly.
Here we have our different products that we offer to the educational industry. As you can certainly notice, binders and diploma holders that are very popular for us this time of year. And throughout the year, there's always graduations or recognition within a company. So certainly these are always products that are top of mind, not just for us, but for our army of distributors out there. We sell hundreds of them on a monthly basis, all kinds of different designs. As you see, we have the right to left opening diploma holders. We have the tent style, if you will, top to bottom opening diploma holders. We have about 5 sizes of each one to fit all the different various diplomas that are out there. Of course, this being said, if you need a specific size, we can certainly manufacture this and come up with this. As you see, we have different also quality of prints and materials. We have a vinyl material, as well as you see in the top left corner, a nice, beautiful leatherette material with an embossed logo emblazoned as well with some contour stitching, as well as some beautiful metal corners. In this case, they're golden, but they can be silver as well. So the same applies to our binders. Here we see a few different versions of our binders. The middle one has a trap sheet in it. The other privacy impact assessment one has a silkscreen print. And then, of course, the one on the right is a full color print binder, which we do all here in-house. We also offer turned edge binders as well as case-made binders for those who are interested in a more ecological solution.
Now for financial institutions, something that is very popular is the threefold. So it's the product that you see on the left, and it folds in three. That's a very popular product. We do high-end ones in vinyl. They have leatherette. Sorry, they have cushioning in them. They have metal corners, so it looks like a premium product. Something that is also extremely popular still to this day is desk calendars and agendas. Having it branded on your desk all day is a good marketing and promotional tool. Other than that, all the various envelopes or document holders, we do them. They can be attached with a Velcro. There can be a zipper on them for it to close. So we offer a wide variety of products. If you have any needs, you ask us and we can probably do it.
And here we have funeral home items. As you see, some of these vinyl underarm briefcases crossed over from the other category that we were just looking at. And as you see, we have different sizes to fit all kinds of different documentation, the capacity of the documentation as well, and the look that your client is looking for. We can make them without the business card pocket on the outside or with and to the size that your client needs. And this fits a variety of documents, of course, and the different capacities of documents. We also manufacture some visitor books for when people get to funeral homes and they have a nice book in there as a remembrance item. So these are quite popular still, as this is a keepsake that people hold on to. So we deal with many different industries, this one being quite a popular one.
Now, the insurance industry for sure is one of our most important industry. Those are very big orders. It's usually, special products. They want a special size or a special format. So any projects you have for insurance company, you ask us and we'll be able to provide you with the best pricing. As you can see, those are some products you've already seen on other slides, but maybe in addition is the mouse pads and also the binder that is like really in leatherette with metal corners. It looks like a higher end binder, and we offer a wide range of binders that can be even higher quality than that, if you will, in terms of material. For sure, it comes with a price, the highest quality, but those are some options we have.
And for the restaurant industry, here are some of our popular options, but this really, the sky is the limit. As you can imagine, each restaurant has different requests, different needs. They want a different look according to their atmosphere. So we really do custom manufacturing with regards to any kind of bill presenters or placemats, or especially the menu card holders or the wine card holders. These are some of our ones that we have in stock, in the sense that always the same size with the same kind of finish, and all that needs to be changed is the company logo. However, most restaurants like to go a little step up on this and do our high-end ones, which we have about 20 different nice Italian leatherettes for this, and can customize the pockets on the inside to your client's needs. Really, the sky is the limit on this because we have been doing this since 1962 as well. So I would suggest that you approach us with your need, and we can send you some product pictures of some of our other items that we've done and product swatches, and then really get to the crux of what your clientele will need.
Now, another industry that is popular is the travel industry. So we sell a lot of passport holders and also luggage tag to this industry. It's an easy way for travel agencies or different companies to put a tag on some products or your luggage for sure. With the company name on it, it's very cost efficient. And you know, the thing that you can see with Italy on it, it's a passport holder. You can put your passport on one side. On the other side, you have space to put documents. We can do those in leatherette, in vinyl, and yeah, it's a popular product.
So for sales professional and professional offices, as you can imagine, many of these items, as you see, crossover from other industries. But for example, what's new for these sales offices or professional offices is the high-end binders that Simon was speaking about in the top portion of this slide here. We see it's a turned edge. It's in the Italian leatherette that I was mentioning before. It has a nice metal corners, and it has more of a rich feel to it. We sell a lot to lawyers' offices, companies like that do have to go into court or go into big mergers. They want the highest end binders that they can get, the nicest looking ones, and this is certainly our highest end binder. Same thing for the different envelope you see there, a document holder with the loop at the end. This is also made in Italian leatherette. So just to show the high end that we can do compared to the standard vinyl one, really depends on your client's budgets. And again, we have other items such as clipboard holders, binders, and of course, what's very popular is badge holders for different industries, get-togethers or conventions that each office needs to go to. So this is very popular. And again, the desk calendars as well. That's very popular in many different offices.
Now getting to the retail industry, something that is very, very popular is the adhesive back pocket. So they can put the pricing in an adhesive pocket, or Ziploc are also very popular. So it's like an adhesive pocket with the Ziploc on it, or just normal Ziploc that are specific size. We do a ton of those. We also do badge holders. We can put lanyards over the badge holders. And when we talked about case-made binders, here you have an example at the top of a case-made binder that is good for environmental purposes.
And of course, custom items. Here's just a view of some of the different customs items that we've done lately. For example, you see there a slate binder or a folder, if you will. This customer sells slate to different industries and wanted their sales reps to have a nice presentation folder. So they provided us with all the details, and we pretty much came up with this folder for them, and they were able to fix the different slate samples in there. And the same can be said for the different industries that we see here, more case-made binder, even a ribbed type of binder with a different kind of spine. These are just to give you an idea of some of the different items that we can do. Some of these were made out of vinyl, some of these were made out of paper. So we're able to do the whole industry, even items made out of leather and leatherette material, synthetic leather material. Just ask us. We've seen pretty much everything since 1962.
So thanks a lot. And for any requests you have, or if you want some quotes, pricing on anything, just send an email to info@vinyform.com, and Eric, myself, or one of our colleagues will be able to help you out with your projects. You also have a 20% discount on our pricing, as we are a preferred supplier to the Universal Unilink group. So our prices are extremely good, and we're sure you'll be able to do a lot of business and get a lot of orders in like schools for diploma holders, or all the products we sell with the very aggressive pricing that we're offering to your group. Thanks a lot for this meeting, and we hope we'll have the chance to speak on the phone with you.